This tutorial explains how to upload and organize project plans within your project's dashboard in Quantavian. You will learn to create folders and upload documents to keep your project files structured. Click Plans to open the Project Plan section where you can manage your documents. Click Upload Plans to start adding new plan documents to your project. You have successfully uploaded your project plans into the project documentation. If you wish to organize your plans further, or if you have revised plans, you can create separate folders to upload them to. Click New Folder to create a new folder for organizing your project documents. Click the folder name field to enter a name for your new folder. For the purpose of this video, I will name it Revision A. Click Create to finalize the creation of the new folder named Revision A. Click Upload Plans again to upload the revised plans into the newly created folder. You have successfully uploaded and organized your project plans by creating a new folder and adding both original and revised documents. This structure helps keep your project files accessible and well managed for future reference. The next video will show you how to begin the takeoff stage of your estimation process, where you will utilize the uploaded plans.